Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi mag-resonate, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Okay, again, this is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Let's start your reading. Kung medyo maingay sa background ko, pagpasensyaan mo na lang, kasi po, medyo active pa yung mga tao dito sa amin dahil hindi pa po sila nakakatulog. But anyway, take only what resonates. Pagpasensyaan nyo na lang. Okay, let's start. Sinisingit ko lang itong aking reading, guys. Medyo busy po ang aking schedule. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Let's start. Two of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, and Six of Pentacles. Let's clarify all the cards here. What's with the Two of Pentacles? The Hierophant. What's with the Eight of Cups? Eight of Cups is clarified by the Fool. What's with the Six of Pentacles? The Justice card. And ito have here the Knight of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. So ito puro, puro element ng Earth sign, which is Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ayan. Actually, the Justice card is, nagpapakita siya talaga as upright. Ay, reverse. Sorry. Hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal pero naramdaman ko talaga na reversal yung reading na gagawin dito sa Justice card. So, I will do that. Anyway, with the Two of Pentacles, nakikita natin na marami kang pinapriority ngayon. But some of you need to focus on your tradition. Pwedeng ganon. Pag-focusan mo yon, i-priority mo muna yon. Anything to do with your tradition. Tradition or yung iba, maybe it's, you need to pray. Ayan, binibigyan ka ng advice or guidance ngayon na ito yung kailangan mo mag-pray. You need to focus on your tradition, religion, yan. Dahil might be, some kind of protection na kailangan mo ring ibigay sa sarili mo spiritually. No? Kailangan mo rin magdasal, kailangan mo ring yung iba nga talaga is pagdadasal na to protect yourself kung ano man yung mga darating or posibleng dumating sa'yo, pero syempre kukontrahin mo yun through prayers. Pagdating sa future mo, I can see you taking a risk, and I feel like you are ready na mag-take ng risk para dito sa future na ito. Marami ka na natutunan. Kumbaga, sanay ka na bumagsak Maaaring ilang beses ka na bumagsak pagdating sa iyong career. Pero this time around, okay lang yon. Wala, yung mga ibabagsak ko ngayon, wala na to. Kasi napagdaanan ko na yung mga matitinding bagsak ng buhay ko. So ngayon, you are ready. And in the future, I feel like you are taking this leap of faith again. And nakita natin yung readiness, which is yun yung maganda. Kasi in the past, nag-take ka ng risk, maybe sa mga bagay na hindi ka naman talaga handa. Pero this time around, magte-take ka ng risk in the near future. Pero this time around, you are ready. Handa ka. Okay? With the Six of Pentacles and the Justice card, you have to be careful dito sa mga tao na magsasabi ng ihingi ng tulong sa'yo. Okay? They know you very well. Alam na alam or kilalang kilala ka nila. Alam nila ang kahinaan mo. Alam nila kung ano yung mga kaya mong ibigay, kaya mong gawin, and that alam nila na kayang-kaya ka nilang paikutin. The Justice card, it is in reverse. This is deceit or lies, kasinungalingan mula dito sa mga taong tutulungan mo. So if you're thinking of helping someone right now, medyo maglaylo ka muna, huwag ka magpadalos-dalos. Kasi maaaring itong taong tutulungan mo ay hindi naman nagsasabi ng totoo sa'yo. So mag-ingat ka. Tell me for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter. What are the messages here? What are the messages here? Spirit guides, angel guides, what are the messages for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos? Punta tayo sa love. Love is here are the messages for love. We do have here the Wheel of Fortune, Six of Cups. Okay, this would like to come out the Nine of Wands and the Three of Coins. Let's clarify all the cards here. What's with the Wheel of Fortune? Page of Swords. What's with the Six of Cups? Page of Coins and Queen of Wands is here. What's with the Nine of Wands? Three of Cups. What's with the Three of Pentacles? The Death card, the Three of Swords, and the Seven of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. Okay. Pagdating sa love, I can see big change here. Sa inyong dalawa ng person na kakonect mo, I can see that both of you are being immature at this time. No? And maybe someone here is nagiging immature sa pag-iisip. The other person is nagiging immature pagdating sa handling his or her finances. So, pareho kayo na nagkakaroon ng immaturity. Pero magkakaiba yan. Yung isa nga is medyo nagiging immature sa pera. Yung isa nagiging immature sa paggawa ng desisyon, pag-iisip, pag-action. There's this past person. I can see someone here, maybe a teacher, someone who is giving advices pagdating sa legal matter, documents, or maybe money. Ayan, nagkakaroon ng pag-uusap sa inyo nito in the past na may kinalaman sa finances, career. Three of Cups. I can see na medyo nagiging mahirap yung reconciliation sa inyo nitong person na ito. And I can see separation and ending here because with the Three of Swords, someone here might be still committed or in a relationship with someone with the Three of Swords. Medyo mahirap yung connection ninyo nitong taong ito ngayon. But this person is really thinking of you. Seven of Cups. This person is daydreaming. No, thinking about you, thinking about your family. Medyo na-weirdohan ako. Why is this person thinking about your family? Iniisip niya yung pamilya mo. Four of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Eight of Swords is here. And the King of Cups. I feel like pinipigilan niya rin magkaroon ng attachment or emotions or feelings sa family mo. Iniiwasan niya mapamahal sa pamilya mo. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya ma-attach. Pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya. So your person is not making any movement dito sa mga taong ito. With the Ace of Wands, these are movements. This is a movement, specific movement na gustong gawin ng person na ito, pero ayaw niya ma-attach sa family mo. Ten of Pentacles is here. This person wants to, gusto niya maging buo or whole. And it feels like pwede nga makakapagpabuo sa kanya is ang relationship or partnership with you. Two of Wands. Ikaw yung, or itong relasyon or ang connection na ito ang pinapangarap niya with a star. Pero I can see na iniiwasan niya talagang magmahal with the Ace of Cups. Iniiwasan niya magmahal, ma-attach. Sabi ko nga, hindi lang sa'yo, pati sa mga tao sa paligid mo, pamilya mo, etc. So what will happen in the near future for you and this person? In the near future, ano naghihintay sa'yo at sa person na ito? In the near future, okay, in the near future, you do have your Knight of Swords, the Seven of Wands, Ace of Swords. Tell me more. Ace of Pentacles is here. Okay, in the near future, I can see a lot of new beginnings sa'yo. Actually, pagdating sa money. And sabi ko nga, possible na in the future, magte-take ka ng risk. Ang maganda dito sa pagte-take mo ng risk na ito is that you will use your mind. Gagamitin mo yung utak mo dito. What I like about this future is that you are ready. Tapos lahat ng skills mo, lahat ng kaalaman mo, kagalingan mo, mga tao sa paligid mo, ito na yung, kumbaga nasa iyo na yung mga tamang armas. At kayang-kaya mo nang i-handle kung ano man ito mga bagong paparating sa'yo. You don't need to worry kasi Seven of Pentacles is here. I can see worries here with the Nine of Swords. Hindi mo kailangan mag-worry kasi kung ano man yung paparating sa'yo, I can see success na possible na ma-achieve mo, ma-accomplish mo itong bagay na ito. And then may success na pwedeng marating mo or ma-achieve mo. I can see you liking. This is you with the Empress. Nagugustuhan mo kung ano yung meron ka, kung ano yung sarili mo, kung ano yung mga bagay na ma-accomplish mo na ito. Okay? So, what are the challenges here? Well, the challenges here is the Nine of Cups. Ang daming nagbibigay ng accomplishment, ng success sa'yo. Well, the challenge here is kung paano hindi lumaki ang ulo or paano hindi mag-appear or hindi lumabas na mayabang ka. Maybe you just want to tell your blessings. Maybe you just want to flex itong mga achievements na ito. Pero ang challenge ay doon is paano wag magmukhang mayabang. Diba? Gusto ko lang naman i-flex. Gusto ko lang naman sabihin kung ano yung mga meron ako, kung ano yung mga na-achieve ko. Yung regarding your stability with the Four of Wands. And the Strength card. This is your strength. This is your Diba, yung mga magaganda nangyayari sa'yo. Ace of Cups, these strengths, these blessings, these accomplishments are overflowing. Okay? Wait lang, guys. And, yeah, I'm back. So, anyway, I can see it's overflowing. Kung makikita mo yung baso dito, it's overflowing. But then, paano, yung challenge nga sa'yo is, paano hindi maging lumabas na ikaw ay mayabang, malaki ang ulo regarding dito sa bagay na ito. Yeah. The Seven of Swords. Actually, the advice here is umiwas. Umiwas ka na lang. No? Sa mga taong wala ka namang magagawa sa kanila. Mga naiinggit, mga taong nakita ko ng mga kapitbahay dito. So, umiwas ka na lang sa kanila. The Star is here. Hindi mo kasalanan na ikaw ay maging star. Hindi mo kasalanan na ikaw ay nagniningning. Hindi mo kasalanan na nandun ka sa taas. You are placed there for a reason. So, hindi mo kasalanan yun. Okay? Kung sila ay mataas ang tingin sa'yo, they are this. Two of Wands. And can you see the person here? It's like nandun lang siya eh. The world. Hawak-hawak niya yung mundo. And you are the star. Nandun lang siya sa mundo. So, hanggat tingala lang sila sa'yo. And wala sila magagawa. Diba? Okay? So, anyway, umiwas ka na lang. Kasi hindi mo naman kailangan patunayan ang sarili mo sa kanila. Okay? I feel like marami talagang tao. Ng maraming tao nakikita natin naiinggit or maiinggit sa'yo. But, you don't need to prove yourself to them. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.